Our mission is to transform the classroom environment. Advancement of AI is happening very fast. With Dell Technologies and NVIDIA, we were able to provide the most affordable GPU environment in a very fast way. Elice provides learning experience platform and Elice Cloud, which provide everything from AI education to AI solution. It's widely used by the government, universities, and the schools in South Korea. To provide every student an individual cloud environment, we developed the Elice Cloud solution. Students and researchers can have their AI education and research more accessible. These environments are developed inside a portable modular data center called PMDC. And PMDC is developed with Dell PowerEdge XC servers and NVIDIA GPUs. AI infrastructure is very challenging for us, but having Dell and NVIDIA as partner, we were able to deploy our PMDC in 3 months. We have not gone through any downtime. By passing the Cloud Security Assurance Program operated by Korea government, Elice Cloud now can provide sovereign AI infrastructure. Starting from next year, AI digital textbook will be provided in all students in Korea. And in order to support 5 million students, we must have very secure and affordable GPU environments. We are hoping to expand our solution to all countries in East Asia. What we believe is that Elice can provide educators to teach how they want, and students can learn at any time and anywhere. We are happy that we can provide this environment with Dell Technologies and NVIDIA solution.